Hello, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at the Sandy Creek Covered Bridge. It's right behind me. Can you see it? Let's go check it out. So the Sandy Creek Bridge is one of 6 bridges built in 1872. They've definitely made some improvements since last time. My GPS actually knew where I was going. Well, that's new. I get to walk in the snow today. Let's make sure I don't fall down. I think we got some information over here. In '67, the Missouri General Assembly passed an act declaring all remaining covered bridges to be state historic sites. That's cool. And then I guess they must have had to do some preservation. Why covered? Oh, so it increased the longevity of a bridge. Interesting. 1952. It looks like an 84. That's what it looks like in 1952. I think I might try and take the drone up and see what it looks like. I haven't flown with it this cold and snowy before. So hopefully I can keep my drone. That's cool. I think they might have some walking trails over here. I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring. It does look pretty though. Let's go walk inside. And today is like the first day it's been above 30 in 2 weeks, I think. Which for me, that's cold. It's pretty interesting. You can see how it's constructed. You can kind of tell it's been restored not too long ago. That's what the floor looks like. Are those like, okay, let's see what this looks like on the side here. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. It's like 2x4s mounted on their sides. That's pretty sturdy. Huh. Interesting. So I think I gotta look into this, but I think there might be some walking trails that Probably don't want to do today. But that's interesting. That's kind of a neat view. That's a fun part of history. Thanks for joining me. I will see you someplace or another. Have a great day. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.